In this chapter, we will get introduced to boiling and condensation. Let us take a pan filled with water. When we place this pan on a stove, we see that initially the water is stationary, but as the heat gets transferred from the surface of the pan to the water starts rolling up and down due to convection. After some time, we see that the dissolved gas in the water forms bubbles and rises up on the surface of water. And when the temperature of water reaches its saturation point, we see that the water starts boiling. This complete process is known as boiling. Now, if we cover the pan with a plate, after some time, some droplets of water start accumulating on the plate surface. This is because the temperature of the plate is lower than that of the vapors. Due to this temperature difference, heat transfer takes place and the temperature of the vapors fall below the saturation point. Then these vapors condense and gather on the plate to form water droplets. This process is known as condensation. On the basis of the motion of fluid, boiling is classified into two modes. They are pool boiling and forced convective boiling or flow boiling. When we heated the water, we saw that at first the water was stationary. Then it started rolling up and down, and finally it started boiling. Such mode of boiling water, where the water is stationary in the beginning with respect to the heating surface, is known as pool boiling. For example, boiling the water with immersion rod and simple geyser, etc. But if we stir the water in the pan, as it gets heated, we see that the water comes in motion and it starts boiling faster compared to the water which is stationary. This mode of boiling is known as forced convective boiling. For example, using the instant geyser and solar water heater to boil the water. Similarly, condensation is also classified into two modes. They are dropwise condensation and film condensation. We saw that when we covered the boiled water with a plate and removed it after some time, some water droplets got accumulated on the plate surface. Now, if we tilt this plate vertically, we see that the droplets slide down due to gravity, thus clearing the surface. This type of condensation is known as dropwise condensation. As the droplets fall further, we see that their size increases, and a film of water is formed. This is known as film condensation. In our daily life, we can observe these two modes of condensation. When we take bath with hot water, we see that the vapors condense on the glasses of the windows and mirror. Initially, the condensation is dropwise, but on continued condensation, the process gets converted into film condensation. Now let's understand this chapter in detail.